How to fix Spotify firewall blocking out 74 on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your device or your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or application. Here you will find all the application that you have on your phone. You will search just for Spotify only, and when you found it, just open it like this and go to storage option. Then you have to go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and go back and click for stop and click OK. And now you have to go to Play Store and update your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.